1999 BMW 528i, doing an oil change. The oil filter is on the top, so you want to remove the oil filter first before you drain the oil, and use a big socket, 36 mm. Break the bolt, plastic bolt on top loose, or you can get something and hold it and turn it like this. You want to replace these O-rings here also. This is a filter here. Take out the old filter like this, put in your new one, and then you want to put this back, make it nice and snug. Then you want to drain the oil at the bottom. I have my drain pan there. It's a 17 mm bolt, drain bolt, right there where it's leaking from. You want to let it drain. When it finishes draining, you want to wipe off that area there and put back your drain bolt. Inspect the washer. You want to replace the washer also. Clean it up, make it nice and tight, not too tight. You don't want to strip the threads on the pad. And then you check your owner's manual or Google it, check online, see how many quarts it holds, and you want to fill it from here. So you can see the oil sign here. You want to fill it from right there. Check how much quarts it holds and what type of oil. That's how you do it. And I think you have to reset the oil light. I'm going to put that in the description. Thanks for watching.